versus Zapier. So which is the best US automation tool in 2025? So both are the two of the most popular automation platforms used by US businesses to automate workflows, connect apps, and streamline operations without coding. So first, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with Make.com, it offers visual scenario builder, which is drag and drop automation canvas ideal for complex multi-step workflows. It offers cheaper high-volume tasks compared to Zapier's task-based pricing. It also has an advanced logic tool like routers, arrays, and iterators for base and data transformation. It even offers better technical teams and supports real-time and bulk data. Now the cons though, it requires a learning curve and not beginner-friendly. Now for Zapier on the other hand, it is extremely easy to use, with a simple trigger action format ideal for beginners. It also uses app library is very upward for more app integrations than nearly any automation platform. It also has a stable and reliable, consistent task execution with minimal errors. So it's perfect for simple workflows, like automating 1 to 3 step daily tasks, and there's no code focus. The cons is though, it can be expensive at scale and limited visual logic with fewer technical tools. So overall, choose Make.com if you need powerful, flexible, and large-scale automation with advanced logic. And then choose Zapier if your US business needs simple, reliable automation with the easiest learning curve. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Make